Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best bulgogi beef recipe, y'all. And this Korean style beef is super flavorful, but it is super simple, you guys. Wait till you see it. And you can eat it in a taco with a nice crispy shell, or you can have a bulgogi bowl, my favorite, with just some steamed rice and broccoli. So delicious, y'all. And this will be under my Asian inspired playlist, so make sure you check this recipe out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some shaved beef, but you can use flank or skirt. Then I also have a can of pears, and then I'm also going to add in some garlic, pepper, some browning seasoning, but you can use soy sauce, some ginger paste, but fresh was always better, of course, cornstarch, some garlic chili paste, and then also I'm going to put in a bit of sesame oil, brown sugar, and then some vegetable oil for cooking. So I'm going to start on the marinade. So on the pears, you can grate them up. I just poured the juice in there, but totally up to you what you want to do. But it just gives you that extra complement to the brown sugar. So I'm going to finish adding the rest of my spices to my marinade. While I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to you guys who have already joined the family. I appreciate you guys so much. So I have the marinade done, and then I'm going to add in my beef and then give it a mix. Now, one thing I did miss a step, y'all. It's okay. We you know, you get a little busy and distracted. But I'm going to go ahead and add in my ginger paste. So I highly recommend adding that to your marinade, but it all worked out. And so the cornstarch is just going to help when you get ready to cook to kind of thicken it up a little bit. So I'm going to marinate this for 4 hours. Overnight is even better, but I mean, I was hungry. I wanted to eat. Hey, mother-in-law. So into the refrigerator in a Ziploc, remove the air. There you go. Look at that. And so just add a little bit of oil to a hot wok, and then gracefully add your meat to your skillet and go, you know, it's okay, we're family. I'm going to go ahead and cook this up, and it takes hardly any time at all. It's shaved, and then look at all that juice. It is so tasty, you guys. And there you go. You're gonna have your Taco Tuesday option, and then you can just do something. And listen, this meal is so flavorful, so amazing. You can impress, you guys. It makes it look like you've spent all day in the kitchen, but you did it. So yummy, you guys. That flavor combination. But hold on, y'all, let me let you get that bite. There you go, baby. Go on and take that bite. So good, y'all. So good. Hope you guys try this recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video, y'all. Bye.